right, so this is a permutation because the order matters in the way that you arrange the letters. What makes this one a little different than some others is that some of the letters repeat. So for instance, if you just switched the first and the third letters that are both B and you flip them, the word would still be the same. It would still be bubble, right? So we want to account for the fact that we don't want to count that as a separate arrangement. So if these were just 6 letters that were totally different, the amount of ways you can arrange them is 6 factorial, right? 6 factorial means 6 times 5 times 3 times 2, right? So that symbol, that's the exclamation point, which is not really an exclamation point. It looks like one. That's what that symbol means. So 6 factorial means 6 times every number less than it. So again, 6 letters, you can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. What makes this one a little different is the fact that there's 3 letters that repeat. So you're going to divide out all the possibilities of the ways you can arrange those B's. So it'd be 3 factorial. So the answer to this is going to be 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. If you look at that on the calculator, you can clear that out. In general scientific or graphing calculator, you should have that button available. And if you don't, let me know and I can try to figure out how to do it on the graphing calculator if you don't. But if I'm just doing 6 factorial, all right, and you're going to divide that by 3 factorial. Doesn't look like that works the way I thought it would. Okay, so 6 factorial divided by, we have to do this first, 3 factorial. I'm getting 120. So it's basically 720 divided by 6. So the answer to this should be 120 different ways. Okay. A point of note here. Let's say I'm making it up, but let's say that instead of an L there, it was another E. So it was B-U-B-B-E-E. The fact that you would have another set of letters repeating would mean that you would also divide by 2 factorial in the denominator. So you would just multiply the 3 factorial and 2 factorial if you had more than one thing repeating. Obviously, you didn't for this question. I'm just saying in case you do, in case you see that on another question. Okay, let me know if you have other questions.